So the only thing we have left to do now is we need to add some content to the pages, and then we need to add a buy now button so that people can actually purchase our product from us, right? And so first thing I want to do is let's clean up this browser a little bit. Let's close the web form generator, the cPanel file manager, and Bluehost account because we're not going to be using those anymore. Then let's just go back into our dashboard, and let's close this, and we'll come to our pages. And there we go. Alright, so we're going to go into the home page. It's the front page, and that's just the one I want to edit first. What I'm going to do is most of the site is going to be made up of videos, right? And under the videos, I want to have a shadow. So what I've done is I've created a shadow image, and I'm going to show you how you can put them underneath your videos, right? So what I did is I click that little button, opens up this where we can add an image, right? I'm going to select a file, and let's go to desktop, selling in 60 minutes, the marketing theme, and then images. Alright, so we're here in the images folder for the theme that you uploaded to your server, right? And here is a image called Video Shadow. We're going to select that one and upload. Then come down here, let's set the options to center and full size. And let's get rid of this link URL because we do not want there to be a URL. I mean, we don't want it to be a clickable link, right? So then insert into post. And you can see here we've got a shadow inserted into the post. What we want to do is we want it to be aligned center, which you can see there is already done, so update, correct. Now we go back to the HTML editor, and all we need to do now is upload a video. So we're going to head on over to youtube.com. Okay, and let's look for black background. Alright, and let's do this one right here. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I have a conflict of interest because the videos that I'm supposed to be showing on this site are being created while I create the site, right? So it's kind of like what came first, the chicken or the egg. So rather than complicating things or worrying about it, I'm just going to put this blank video here as a placeholder. That way you can see the process of uploading the video and everything. And then I'll just have to come in and upload the actual videos a little bit later. So I'm cheating a little bit, but really I don't have much of a choice other than that. So what I'm going to do is we want to make sure it's 640. Width, because that will fit good into the theme that we have, or else smaller. And then let's copy and paste this code. So we copy it, come back here, and we want to paste this code. You can see this code you have right here. We want to paste it right in between these two little greater and lesser signs, right? Control V, paste it right there, and we're going to click update. Alright, and so let's go back to our website and refresh. And there we go. We've got a YouTube video uploaded, and we've got a nice little shadow under it, which adds a little extra touch. And one thing that I want is on the home page, I don't want there to be a title. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to delete that title, just like that. Click update. And refresh. And there we go. So the title's gone, and we're good to go on the home page. Now let's just go back here to, actually, if we go into here, we can actually copy and paste this code. Actually, nah, I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to actually do what, do it like if I was actually uploading individual videos. So, Done For You is going to have a video on it. So, I'm going to click Image. From Media Library, we're going to select the video shadow and insert into post. Make sure all the settings are correct. Actually, first let's get rid of this and insert into post. Okay, we'll go back to the visual editor, and we're going to make sure that this is centered. Update. Alright, now you have to make sure that's centered, because otherwise you won't have the right code and it won't work out, right? So that's a very crucial process in order to have this shadow, right? So then we're going to copy this code again. We're going to come back in here, post it in between these greater and lesser signs right here, and click update. Alright, and then let's go back to pages. done for you. Make your blog awesome is not going to have a video because that's the post page. Selling in 60 minutes is going to have a video. And this is the page where it's actually going to have the video that I'm recording right now. So let's go to Media Library, Show. Let's get rid of the link, insert into post. Alright, and you can see that there's nowhere to put our video. There's not that little area with the greater and lesser signs after the paragraph code, right? So we have to come back to Visual, make sure that it's on center, update, come back to the code, and there we have it. And now we can post the video code into there. So we're going to paste it right there, update. Alright, and let's go back to pages. And let's edit the thank you page. We'll add a video or an image again. Media Library, Show, center, get rid of the link, insert into post. We'll go to Visual, we'll select it, and make sure it's on center, update. Alright, awesome. So then we can just paste that right there. Update. Alright, so there we have it. We can click on Selling in 60 Minutes. We've got a video, shadow, done for you. Video, shadow. Make your blog awesome. Obviously just has our posts in it, so that doesn't have. And one thing I'm noticing here is because I eliminated the title for the home page, then it's messing up the navigation right here. So what we need to do is we actually need to go back into Appearance and Menus. And then what we need to do is we need to come to our main menu, and you can see right here it's got no title, so we need to give it a title. Right here, Home, and Save Menu. Then we'll come to Menu, and we will do the same thing because it's having the same problem, right? So Home, Save Menu. We will come back here, and that should fix our problem. There we go. Awesome.